In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing pages with Getresponse. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a published working landing page using their ready-made templates and drag-and-drop editor. First, start by logging into your Getresponse account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Tools and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing pages are managed and where you'll create new ones. On the landing pages screen, look for a button that says Create Landing Page and click it. This begins the setup process. Getresponse usually gives you multiple ways to build a page, but in this video, we're focusing on the fast, visual option. When you see the choice of paths, click on the tile that says Use a ready-made template. This lets you start with a professionally designed layout instead of building everything from scratch. You'll now see a gallery of templates, often grouped by goals like lead generation, sales, or promotion. Take a moment to scroll through and find a layout that matches your purpose and style. When you find one that looks close to what you want, move your mouse over it and click Select or Use Template, depending on what you see on your screen. This will open the drag and drop editor. Here's where you customize the template to fit your brand and offer. To change any text, simply double-click on it, then type in your own headline, subheading, or body copy. Try to keep your messaging clear and focused on a single call to action so your visitors know exactly what to do. On the right-hand side, you'll see a toolbar with elements like buttons, images, text blocks, and other widgets. To add something new, click and drag it onto the page. You can reposition elements by dragging them around until the layout looks right. As you work, think about alignment, spacing, and making your main button or form stand out so it's easy to spot. When you're happy with the design, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Next Step. This takes you to the settings screen. Here, give your landing page a clear internal name. This name is just for you inside Getresponse, so choose something descriptive that makes it easy to find later. Finally, review the URL and list settings. Make sure the web address looks clean and that the correct email list is selected for new signups. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to share.